Good morning, dear students of class 10th. At first, I welcome you to my English class. In the previous class, I had already discussed about the paragraph 1 to 5th of at the high school. Now, I am going to teach you about paragraph 6 and 7. I am going to read the paragraph. Please listen me silently. Sanskrit, however, proved a harder task. In geometry, there was nothing to memorize. Whereas in Sanskrit, I thought everything had to be learned by heart. This subject was also commenced from the 4th standard. As soon as I entered the 6th, I became disheartened. The teacher was a hard taskmaster, anxious as I thought to force the boys. There was a sort of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. The Persian teacher was lenient. The boys used to talk among themselves that Persian was very easy, and the Persian teacher was very good and considerate to the students. The easiness tempted me, and one day I sat in the Persian class. The Sanskrit teacher was grieved. He called me to his side and said, "How can you forget that you are the son of a Vaishnava father? Won't you learn the language of your own religion? You have any difficulty? Why not come to me? I want to teach you students Sanskrit to the best of my ability. As you proceed further, you will find in it things of absorbing interest. You should not lose heart. Come and sit again in the Sanskrit class." Then paragraph 7. This kindness put me to shame. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Today I cannot but thank with gratitude of Krishna Sankar Pandya. For if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit that I learnt then, I should have found it difficult to take any interest in our sacred books. In fact, I deeply regret that I was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of the language. Now I read the paragraph 6 and 7 before you. Now I am going to say about the English meaning of these paragraphs. Please listen me silently. Because Sanskrit was not his favorite subject. Sanskrit was not his means whose. Sanskrit was not Mahatma Gandhi's favorite subject. He himself told Sanskrit teacher has a harder task, or Sanskrit is a hard task for him. He was not interested to read and learn Sanskrit. According to Gandhi, he understood that there was nothing to memorize in geometry. So he thought that geometry is very easy for him. He had been studying Sanskrit for 2 years, but did not feel any improvement in this subject. From beginning of the standard 4, he learned Sanskrit up to 6th. He did not develop in this subject. So, he was not interested to read the Sanskrit. So, he became disheartened. The Sanskrit teacher was also a hard taskmaster of the boys of that school for the students of the school. There was a sort of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. On the other hand, the Persian teacher was so lenient, means not strict. The teaching method of the Persian teacher was also very easy for the students of the school. Students thought that the Persian subject was easier than Sanskrit, so all of the students of that high school were interested to read the Sanskrit, the Persian class instead of Sanskrit. So, once upon a time, Gandhi sat in the Persian class. In the meantime, the Sanskrit teacher saw that Gandhi was sitting in the Persian class. He called him before him and told him that, kindly told him that being the son of a Vaishnava father, he could or he should learn Sanskrit, the language of his own religion. He also assured him that things or matter would become easier as they continue studying the language of Sanskrit. Sanskrit was the third language. He advised him to come back to Sanskrit class. Gandhi's Sanskrit teacher's affection and kindness put him to shame. He did not know what is the merits of Sanskrit, so he sat in the Persian teacher's class. He could not disagree but disregard his Sanskrit teacher's affection. From that day, he did not forget the affection and love of his Sanskrit teacher. He took interest in Sanskrit in the latter stage of his life. He could not thank his teacher enough for making him learn the language. For that little knowledge of the language, means Sanskrit, had made it easier for him to read and understood our sacred books. When Sanskrit teacher persuaded him to take his class, if any doubt had arises in Gandhi's mind, to ask him. He was always able to, but he was always prepared to understood or clarified the doubts of Gandhi. Since that, Gandhi sat in the class of Sanskrit teacher and liked him very much. In this way, he liked his Sanskrit teacher very much. Dear student, I finished this topic of at the high school. You should write down all question answer of your school note. Being listened silently with mindfully, I thank you.